my channel. It's Jaterra Bria'Na. If you don't know, now you know. Thank you so much for tuning in. Anyways, today I kind of created this pink lemonade situation going on my face. Initially, I was inspired by someone by the name of Cameron Alexis. She is bomb when I tell y'all. Like, I love the way she does her makeup. But she did this look. I hope y'all can see this. Excuse my cracked up phone, but she did this look, and I was like, that's cute. And I stay in the safe zone too much, so I wanted to go out of my comfort zone. So I was like, let me get inspired by something that has color. And then I came up with this literally by accident, but I ended up really liking it, and I hope you guys do too. Just to put a disclaimer out there, simply because I didn't know what I was doing, this really isn't a talk through, and it's not going to be a voiceover. I'm just going to let y'all watch me do my thing. And yeah, so if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your push notifications. And yeah, I'll see you in the next clip.
To feel you, don't want you on my mind, don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind, don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Why on earth would I leave if you were everything I wanted you to be? When I saw what you did, who you with, got me questioning the things that I believe. So I ask myself, do I let you go, or do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise, so you sugarcoated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery. I finally found what went wrong. I finally found the wrong in you. I finally found what went wrong. I finally found the wrong in you. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind, don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind, don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. You again, why'd you call? I didn't hear you crying out my name. When I saw, when you and I lay eye to eye, now it's time for you to taste the bitter end. So I ask myself, do I let you go, or do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery. I finally found what went wrong. I finally found the wrong in you. I finally found what went wrong. I finally found the wrong in you. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind, don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind, don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind.
We found each other. I helped you out of a broken place. You gave me comfort, but falling for you wasn't my mistake. I put you on top, I put you on top. I claimed you so proud and openly. And when times were rough, when times were rough, I made sure I held you close to me. So call out my name, call out my name when I kiss you so gently. I want you to stay. I want you to stay, even though you don't want me. Girl, why can't you wait? Why can't you wait till I fall out of love? Whoa, you call out my name, call out my name. I said I didn't feel nothing, baby, but I lied. I almost cut a piece of myself for your life. Guess I was just another pit stop till you made up your mind. You just wasted my time. You're on top. You're on top. I claimed you so proud and openly. And when times were rough, and when times were rough, I made sure I held you close to me. Yeah. So close to me. Yeah. Call out my name. So call out my name. I want you to stay. I want you to stay. I want you to stay, even though you don't want me. Call out my name.
Easy have made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your money records, the army, the navy. It ran me 10,000. I do it like without a mistake.
Alright, I need some real food, cause that ain't doing. Gotta go.